guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we've got one of those coming in and it's in for a cheeky little exhaust mod, which is actually a really simple, quick and easy thing to do, because it currently sounds like, we'll go to the back to get better sound. To do that again from the rear, go for it. Okay, so you heard the exhaust valves open and close. So the mod is, apparently you just find the actuators on the exhaust, pull the pipes off, blank the plugs out with some 3D printed things that I've already done, and then the valves are always open and she sounds a little bit more fruity, we shall call it. Now I do enjoy working on Ferraris, and I do have a soft spot for an F430, so let's get involved. By the way, I found out about this mod because the owner was bored on holiday and started researching and said, can you do this? And I went, yes I can. So obviously, now it's been running for a bit, it is nice and warm. Man, they don't build them like the Italians. So, apparently, you just yeet that off, yank that one off, block everything up. You've got to block the actuators and you've got to block the pipes. So, let's get some bungs out. So, you literally, well, that was easy. That was really easy. Tiny little hole. So there's that one. Don't melt. They'll probably be like £1 million from Ferrari. And we've got the other one off. Now, let's go and get the bungs. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to spend a lot of money on a 3D printer, and then you can 3D print these little bungs. And these little bad boys, hold on. Then they just slide in like that. Beautiful. Now, you apparently just need to hook these up, and we're going to probably cable tie them there, because otherwise they'll melt on the exhaust, and we do not want that. We also need to get a cap for that as well. I actually think I need to print them. I don't know if I printed them. We'll find out in a minute. Going in with number 2. Lovely. Now, there is already a cable tied bit there, so I'm just going to literally cable tie them together. Maybe do them a little bit higher up so no one can see it. Or I might leave it like that. No, I'm joking. Hey look, assembly build, 66831. Wonder if anyone owned this one on the channel. Anyway, we'll then cable tie them up out of the way. Meantime, I'm going to find bungs for them now quickly. All right, well, we haven't done that yet, but what we have done is we found some vacuum pipe and put some more bungs in. And literally, slide that on there, blocked off. Slide that one on there, blocked off. Now, we're going to cable tie them out of the way, and then we're going to do a sound check. Look who's excited for the sound check. Both of us. I was really excited, that was amazing, Jesus. So, they've been zip tied 1, zip tied 2, blue little blanks. They're in, they're in, they're in. Sound, ooh, nearly left them on there. Okay, time to fire it up. He's taking his time. Okay, time to go. That's how you do that quick and easy sound mod. Now that's how it sounds on idle. We need to kind of hear it in motion. I know a lot of people always say I should do sound checks. Now I'm not going to be driving it. The customer's doing a just little flyby through the car park. Oh, she is such a good looking car. Let's just be honest, that is a good looking car. Will we be able to hear him going up the road? That is the inevitable question. That sounds... Of course, 30 mile an hour only. So he's coming back later to pick me up to go out for a little drive. I'm just a little bit too dirty in my work clothes. So that is how you do a cheap but very effective exhaust mod on an F430. It's a bit of an ass. I love that. So that's how you do it. Just got to 3D print some bungs or buy some bungs off eBay. Stick them in, blank it off, and that's it. Done. Fantastic. Another Ferrari for show season. Starting to get quite a few Ferraris in now. I'm liking it. Like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Till next one. Enjoy your weekend.